Self-inquiry meditation, expanding unity. Purpose: to experience the interconnectedness of all life and expand awareness beyond the separate self. Sit comfortably and close your eyes. Take a few slow, deep breaths. Bring to mind all beings and forms around you. People, animals, nature, and the universe itself. Ask silently, who am I in relation to all that exists? Notice the awareness that perceives everything. You are not separate. All arises within the same consciousness. Silently repeat, I am this awareness. All is one in this presence. Allow this unity to expand gently, resting in the boundless interconnectedness of life. When ready, slowly open your eyes, carrying this sense of unity into daily life.